hello to myself. Really the only one in here. Um, so I guess people could watch us back. I don't know. I've never been live. Well, nah, I have, but like, ooh, ooh, that was me on my phone. Um, it would be a lot easier if I had an audience, but I don't. That's fine. I'm gonna be coding. So yeah, I have this this thing, checklist I've made that we're all or I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna be using to kind of like improve upon my ability. I just saw someone join and then leave. It's gonna be a long, long day. So we got Project 8 Combat System with hit detection. We could we can definitely do that. So let's go try to do this. So for a combat system, you create a tool, use raycasting. Now the question is if I want to do like mobile raycasts or just do one per click. I feel like we could just do one per click. So let's new module. We'll just call it combat system. So I'm not even sure where to start with this. So we need to make two. So a sword. Let's make into two. Just call it two. Requires endo. So here I'm just gonna do all my like my calculations. So combat system dot let's do get raycast. Not returning anything just yet. Just gonna go raycasting service. Is that will return a raycast result. Actually, I forgot everything about raycasts. That's a bit awkward. Let me look it up in the documentation. Raycasts Roblox. Raycasting, here we are. Raycasting. As most basic level, raycasting is the act of sending out an invisible ray from a vector 3 point in a specific Oh my god. Once you cast, you can detect if the ray hits a base part or turns a. Okay. So I need to define a ray origin. Which looks to be a vector 3. And a ray direction. So vector 3. Then suppose we can always be recasting from the same point if we just it's always from the humanoid root part. We don't need these at all. It's actually I'm just gonna remove that. Oh. But we'll take a player parameter. Then this is a HRP, which is a base part. So let's do local ray cast equals let's return that ray cast. It should be a raycast result. Raycast result. Don't have any raycasts. Combat system raycast params. Let's make a params module. Let's call this module script for params. Then script.ray params. Okay. So hack into us video awesome. Thank you, brother. New one coming soon, maybe? Maybe? Mayhaps? What do you call it? Tahoe. Tahoe might be coming. I'm trying to figure out how I can install it. I can't really get past the booting, which is it's not the best. Wait, what does recast params take though? Wait, what? Huh? Property stores an array of objects No filter descendant. Huh? Oh, okay. And equals filter descendants equals enum dot filter recast filter type includes. Wait, what? Filter descendant instances. Ignore water equals true. Determines whether the recast operation considers a part can. Respect can collect. True. Okay. Now we're kicking with gas, guys. Go back to this combat system here. So return a recast. Combat system. Recast params. So let's do. No. I've just realized my tabs are through here. Wait. Oopsie daisy. Respect can collide equals array params dot combat dot punch. Okay. Awesome. 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 So I got a recast that should, from the look vector, should go out 10 studs. I don't know about 10 studs. The combat system damage player function player results. I return the number. Or calculate damage. So of course what we need to do now is we will make items. Items and item. I do actually have like a data type thing. So add a new data types module for this. Data types. Let's make these two types, and I'm just gonna export type punch or melee weapon. Equals a table. So let's get the damage multi. Okay, let's do the damage first. I don't want it to be like still a distinguish. You're subscribed to me? I didn't even see you. My fault, twin. So I'm thinking what we can do is that's just threw me off, man. What the hell? Digital footprint, guys, be careful. It can be very dangerous. Oh, one day I just get really famous. You know what I mean? You know what I'm talking about, twin? Oh, they're gone. Of course, they're gone. Oh well. I'm so focused that I'm not really doing anything. Let's just do damage. Number. And then we could do something else. What could we do? Yep. What am I doing? What am I doing? Okay, so we got damage as a number. What other attributes could a melee weapon have? Cooldown. There you go. I just needed some damage number. Yeah. So it's not, I can't do that, so I can do is local, oh wait, no, sorry, local items equals that, and then, boop, melee items equals a bunch of that. Ding ding. Then ding string. Okay. I'm frying. Hey, oh, crud. Wait, I've done this in the wrong script, guys. See how easy it is just to get. Is that there? And that should actually be above that. Here. String. Go on. Melee. Oh, types. Dot nova. There we go. Woo. Okay. Now. Items dot melee punch equals damage. So damage equals. No, I want a damage max and min. I could probably make like some formula up for that. So let's just do 5 right now. And then the cooldown equals 0.2. Ah. Punch. So that might just be like everything that we need. I mean, obviously, like, not here. Not here, sorry. I still need to calculate the damage. But then I can also do the 2. Which is actually equal, I don't have the types yet. Not parent, man. Data types. Here we go. Types dot melee weapon. It could be other things as well. But that's the thing I'm going for. Damage equals 0. That's true. I've spelled damage wrong. Oh my god, that's embarrassing. Two dot damage. They will all have damage in them. Just in case they don't know, I will do if 2 dot damage does not equal 0, then it needs to equal 0. get rid of that. Damage equals 2 dot damage. Then what we can do is you can just randomize it a little bit. So we're going to do local critical hits equals false. I'm actually going to put a critical hit multiplier on my items as well. So open up the data types. Oh, okay. So critical hit chance number and the critical hit multiplier as well. Huh? Yeah, so critical hit chance equals, so what is in percentage? Let's do 10%, and then the critical hit multiplier equals 1.95. So critical shit. So we're gonna check if it is critical hit. So no. Calculate melee damage. So we can calculate melee damage by just doing so much WhatsApp notifications. Ladies. Critical. So we can do if math dot random 1 to 100 equals. No, wait a minute. Wait a damn second. How do I make a chance? How do I make a chance? Oh. If mass is greater than or equal to less than or equal to 2 dots critical hit chance, then critical hit equals true. So then actually just remove that. And then I do actually want to take a damage. So 2 dot damage equals we'll do so we'll do just like 2 dot damage times math dot random and then 0.9 comma 1.1. Then damage equals to critical hit dot multiplier. Yeah. and then you return the damage. Could just feed a raycast into this and then return the raycast result. So local damage, that would be a number. So number. There you go. And then in the punch, we can make a new script. Rather than like local combat system game.replicate storage.modules combat system location combat sys equals local. It's kind of all I need, to be honest. I don't know how old parenting script to tools is, but you know, we'll get there. We will get there. So we'll just do main here. So tool.activated connect function. Boom. Yep, there we go. So let's do the raycast result. So let's do local ray results equals combat sys get raycast punch player. That returns distance material. I really just want an instance. I've forgotten something. I feel like the way I filter my descendants is wrong. Let me go fact check that. Let's see if I'm wrong. I definitely am wrong. Filter descendant. Oh, filter descendant instances. So that needs to be an array. Okay, got it. Okay. So an array of objects whose descendants are used in filtering raycasting candidates. Wait. Come on. Raycast. Where is it? Huh? Whatever. Okay. filter descendants instances script up parent. But you can do player.character. No, but there's no player in here though. Well, I'll just list that in here. So, punch recast params dot filter descendant instances equals player dot character. It's not include, is it? It's definitely exclude. It's not include. It's there we go. Okay, error fixed. That's good. And then we get the instance, the base part. Okay. So let's get the base part. So result, which was returns a result. Nice, nice, nice. Okay. And then for some extra security, I'll do it. Yeah, actually. No, I will not. What to do? There's something in my brain just goes blank and I can't think. You know what I mean? I can't think. Oh my god. You know, this is what I hate, man. This is what I hate. What was I doing? Right. No. Okay, I need to see if the instance hit is a part of a character. All characters have humanoids in them. So if ray result dot instance dot parent find first child humanoids, then no. Wait, why do I need the player? What's the player used for? Player's not used for it. Shit. You just remove that. And it's just the same. So, wait, does the top need to be a melee? Fuck. No, that's fine. We just need the aim. Access. Latest Android updates. Wait, what? My Android doesn't have features, guys. It's all Google Gemini. It's kind of mad. Kind of mad, I can't lie to you. Anyways. That's unneeded. And we just need to local items equals require combat items. Okay, melee. Dot punch. damage. Or sorry, no. Local H humanoid equals H take damage. Yeah, why is there a take damage method for humanoids? Why can't you just do... Yeah. Okay. So allegedly this is supposed to work. I see no reason why it shouldn't. I mean, on my checklist it does say use animations. I don't have it. I was in server storage. Site and start pack. Let's go like a respawning dummy. Respawning dummy. It won't be my models. It's another person in the stream. What's up? Say something. I'm bored here. I'm so bored. Ooh. Okay. Of course. Wait, what? Yeah, I should probably check if there is an instance. So what was that? Main 10? If wait the instance the part. So I should probably check if there is an instance first. So if instant. No. Oh. If ray result dot instance. Then there we go. And then you can just go paste that. Go. No. Right there. There we go. Yeah, what? Oh, wait. Oh my god, it works. It's kind of first try, but I don't like this ugly error. It's because I'm not... Wait. Oh, I just realized I don't have a cooldown. Oh. Why does it do that? How do I silence this error? Hey, if the person watching knows how to deal with this error, please tell me. It also does no damage sometimes. So I really wanna see how much damage I'm doing, so we do like... It's gonna be the dummy, obviously. Renderings paused for debugging? What? Why would you do that? No, why? Breakpoint, man. Breakpoint. So I don't want the breakpoint anymore. Get away. Okay, it's gone. It's definitely gone. I've confirmed it is gone. Yep. I have 0. Wait, I'm just... Sometimes I'm just... I'm either doing 5 or 0. Why? Why am I doing 5 or 0? How do I calculate my damage? Oh, okay. So damage. Oh, oh. Wait, what? Wait, no, that shouldn't be there. In theory, it should be different than 5 every time. Not every time, but you get what I mean. Oh, wait, and I can't use. Can you? Can you use. Decimals in math.random? When. It doesn't say integer. The number type data or double represents double precision floating point number. So, obviously not. Yeah, it's just picking one. Obviously, since it can't pick a half. Um, I saw this. No. No, that would not work. Okay, let's just do that. This one is just 75%. Sometimes I should be doing 9, other times. There you go. Oh, this instance, man. Oh. Attempt to index no with instance. I don't really know how to fix that. Well, let me try look around, see if there's any solutions. Oh, okay. So I need to check if there even is a real result. So that should silence the error, person? I hope it does. You know what I mean? Okay. Push. Now this just got tough. Look at the reach on that, bro. I mean, there we go. I mean, that's That's it. So I could do is I could add a range to it. So range number. So do put comments and percentage, and then end studs. So where I calculate my thing, it's 2 times. We do like 3 studs. So I don't have an items local items equals to required script dots items dot melee items dot punch. There we go. So, yeah. Now, oh, okay. Push them over. Oh, so the wait time. There. Okay. Yay. So now we should not be able to spam click it. Okay, this doesn't work anymore. Wait a minute. Why did I stop doing damage? Anyways, I'm gonna label that as working. So I can mark that off my checklist. Now that I can mark it off my checklist. It's time to end the stream. That like 6 people watched. course. So, yeah. The things I have planned on my checklist include Tycoon Generator System, Quest System with NPCs, Global Trading System, Procedural Generation, and a large similar optimization using collection service, streaming, and then we've got unit testing system, framework creation, and then for the grand finale, a full game. So right now I'm on project 816. You all have 7 streams before the grand finale. So that's, I owe you all 7 streams. I don't plan them to do them daily, but I do plan on streaming my entire adventure and just making sure that, I'm improving myself. So the grand finale will be a full game. I haven't really thought about what this game would be, but it's going to be like a mashup of all the things that I've put together, and I will release it. Now, the thing about the last one is I have to maintain the game based on player feedback, and that means I need people to also play the game, which might be hard. I've never had a successful game before. I've never I've never seen anyone play my game that wasn't one of my friends. Um, I've never had more than 4 concurrent users on any of my games. So if this final project ends up blowing up, then who knows? But yeah. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed that stream. Who am I talking to? I'm not talking to anyone. But if anyone is watching the LOD after this, what's up? Consider subscribing. And I'll see you later.